Hey guys, and welcome to your new video on this channel. So once again, great news today. The Amazomatic plugin that I created was updated, and starting from now it will support the Amazon product advertising API 5.0. So if you are using the Amazomatic plugin, or if you are using the v4 of the Amazon API, you should have received this email which says, "Hello associate, we would like to inform you that all your applications making calls to Amazon's product advertising API version 4 will need to upgrade to Amazon product advertising API version 5 by March 9, 2020. And they say here that if you don't upgrade, your services will be cut off, and the 4 version of the API will not work anymore starting from this date. So because of this, I was urged to update the Amazomatic plugin to work with the v5 version of the Amazon product advertising API, and starting from the Amazomatic app update 2.0. So you will be able to update the plugin and to get the 2.0 version of it. Starting from this version, the plugin supports only the Amazon API 5.0. So if you don't update your credentials in it and insert credentials which are working with Amazon API 5.0, the Amazomatic plugin will no longer function for you. So if you want to keep using the v4 API, then please don't update to version 2.0 of the Amazomatic plugin. Otherwise, it will not work for you only if you input credentials for the Amazon product advertising API 5.0. So I created the frequently asked questions article here on how to update the Amazon 4 API to Amazon 5 API. I will link in this video's description the article I created, so please go ahead and check it. You will need to migrate your existing product advertising API account from AWS. So here I describe the steps that you need to make. Manage credentials, choose migrate, so choose this button, and after the migration is complete, on the download credentials key, copy your access key and secret key and choose and copy them and use them in plugin settings. You don't have to download them, only if you want. So you can copy the access key and the secret key and use them in and update your plugin settings with these new v5 keys, and the plugin will work again. So if you have updated to v2 of the Amazomatic plugin, you also need to update to v5 of the product advertising API from Amazon. So if you also past March 9th, 2020, and you see that Amazomatic is no longer working for you, you have to update to v2.0 of Amazomatic or newer, because until then I probably will release also other updates for the plugin, and also make these changes to your Amazon v4 PA API key and secret. And don't forget, I linked it in this video's description. So yeah, real fast, let me show you the plugin. So I entered my new credentials here. I click on search to posts. Now I will be able to import new content. So let's say I want to import a post about laptops. There is no new post on my blog, so let's run importing. A new post was already created, and if we refresh this, we will see a new laptop that appeared on our site. So we have a buy now button and specifications and some images. So the main part of the plugin will continue to function as it functioned until now. Don't forget, you can customize the post content and using these shortcodes, and there are many more shortcodes now because the new API added also new information that I got in the plugin, so new shortcodes will be available here. So I will link in this video's description also the link to Amazomatic. So if you want to get this plugin, you can get it in the link from this video's description. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and you want to get more similar updates, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget that I release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT time. And until next time, have a great day, stay safe, bye bye.